Hello everybody, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're standing aboard a Boston Whaler 240 Vantage boat. We're going to do a quick walkthrough video. I'm going to show you some of the great features we have on our in-stock boat and show you why the 240 Vantage is one of my personal favorite boats. Versatility, fishing, great all-around boat from Boston Whaler. So let's start and get right into it. You can see this awesome seating arrangement. So if you have guests for entertaining, lots of seating. One of the great things that Boston Whaler does is they create versatility of the space. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So by having all of this seating here, you have lots of room for your guests. But you can fold up this aft bench, tuck it away, creates more space. Another versatile piece on the boat is this seating arrangement. So as you see it, it's forward and aft facing seat. This is an award-winning design from Boston Whaler. You just pull this latch. You have multiple seating positions. It creates a chase. It also folds all the way down. One of the thoughtful things from Boston Whaler is they also put a bolster on the head compartment door here, so it creates a full layout bed with cup holders, with USB chargers and your music controls all right here underneath this big fiberglass hardtop. So really great, versatile, and just cool engineering here from Boston Whaler on this seating arrangement. Coming through, you notice that there's good cockpit space, so if you just need the extra space for walking around, or if you're fishing off the back of the boat, you have great space for that as well. This boat is equipped with this optional little utility counter here, so nice spot for putting a lunch spread out, but also creates good storage space as well. Little cutlery drawer, and a lockable cabinet with a 5-gallon bucket from Boston Whaler. You do have a door that goes in and out through the transom. This is great for keeping kids and pets inside the boat. You also have a freshwater shower here as well. So when you're coming in from swimming, or you just have a little salt on your hands, you can use a freshwater shower to rinse off. Makes a nice feature there. Notice the size of our big fiberglass hardtop here. There's little LED courtesy lights in here for night, great sun coverage. It does have the black framework. That's optional. You can either have white framework or black. We've equipped this boat with a black framework. It looks really, really cool. There's also courtesy lights and grab rails here. The helm, you have a nice captain's chair. This is a flip-up bolster. So for the times you want to be standing and driving the boat, you can adjust the wheel for different height positions. Or you can put the bolster down, be sitting, and adjust the wheel into it for a more comfortable seating position. This boat is fully equipped with electronics. We have a 12-inch Simrad multifunction device. That's going to be your color chart navigation unit. Also is going to give you depth, battery voltage, lots of information there. This is your JL audio, Bluetooth, AM, FM stereo. Really nice feature. This is a couple cup holders, nice catch-all with charging ports, and it's drained out too. Really easy to get to, very conveniently placed rocker switches. And your Simrad VHF radio, all equipped on this boat. One thing that Boston Whaler does really, really well too is the entryway to the head. It makes it much bigger, much easier to access. You don't see that in all the competitors. We're going to open this up. There's a magnet that holds that door open. And you've got big head space here with the freshwater sink as well. Going up into the bow, you do have full wind protection from this boat as well. Not only do you have the large hardtop, but there is a wind dam door. Couples here. Flip the windshield over easily. This provides nice wind protection for everybody sitting. If it gets a little chilly, flips over nice and easy. There's also a storage locker that goes underneath this helm, which I'll show you up in the bow space as well. It all connects. Very large storage space. This is a big in-deck fish box storage box. So this is plumbed. It does drain out, but really awesome use of the space. Great big storage locker here in the middle. Another creative little thinking of the customer feature. It's a little trash chute. There's a 5-gallon bucket on the other side. Just a nice little handy feature from Boston Whaler. So this, underneath this console, is a big storage compartment. So lots of storage on this 24-foot boat. This has a hatch from the front with a flip-up door. So that creates storage space for rods. It's lockable, or whatever you need to keep on the boat when you're not using it. you can access it through the side, you can access it through the front. Very nice use of the space. So you'll notice that in the middle, there's a filler cushion that fills that out for a nice sunbed. That actually also doubles. You remove the cushion and then it becomes a tabletop. There's little stanchion posts to raise that so that you do have a table for the bow space. Notice there's grab rails, cup holders, stereo speakers up front. So everybody that's up front and just while your guests are hanging out, they can be charging their phones, they have a place to put their drink. And they have nice grab rails for comfort and riding in front as well. So this boat is equipped with both the beach boarding ladder that deploys off the front of the boat. So you have a swim ladder on the back of the boat and the front. Then of course we also have our anchor windlass as well. This hatch also provides access to your anchor rode, and there's a remote for the anchor windlass here as well. So again, this is David Foss. This is a Boston Whaler 240 Vantage, probably the most versatile boat Boston Whaler makes. Love the Vantage line, it's been very popular. This boat is available at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. We'd love to, show you the boat in person, answer any questions live for you. So give us a call, look us up on the internet, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks.